Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing part 2. And sadly we're gonna have to do part 3 because for some reason I don't have enough determination. Here we are just doing a mini boost like for 2 minutes. So really don't have much intentions for this. But I barely got nothing, sadly. 1 million honey per second. Now we are doing Mondo Chick while Vicious Bee somehow. This barely even happens when I play. Now we seriously got my highest score ever, which is 1 minute and 26 seconds. It's now time for a mini boost for Spiderfield. I personally don't have good enough B to be doing boosts with Gummy Mask, sadly. But I will try my hardest. I really enjoy boosting, but that's only if my pollen haze works. It's now time to do some Commando Chick grinding. I have no idea where Bobfish Gaming is, but OJ. I give up Commando Chick for now. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry. This video is not that good, it's because I don't have enough determination. But I promise I will do part 3 soon. It'll take some days because Bobfish Gaming is moving right now.